Hey guys, getting ready to change the tune on this computer. For those of you that's not familiar with BAMA's performance tuners or how the process works, this is pretty much how it works. It gives you the readout of the different things that you want to go into and the different settings, and you will go up to program your vehicle at the top, and it'll come on. It'll say this stuff here: the street use notice, the device is not legal for sale in California, blah blah blah. You just continue past that, and it's going to ask you to turn the key on. So we're going to flick the key on, and we're going to push continue again. And then it's going to come to a readout that has all your octane tunes. I have two settings of octane tunes here. One is two settings for 91 octane and 3 settings for 93. So I am going to go ahead and put on the 93 race tune, and it's going to tell me that I have a couple options that I've adjusted, which I believe is turning my fan on a little sooner. So I'm going to go ahead and approve that. But you can see all these things here I can custom change: the spark advance, the rev limiter, neutral and then drive, the idle speed, neutral, the low fan, the high fan. Those are all things that I can change. But as I said, I'm going to keep my settings cool. I'm going to approve it, and it's going to tell me here again, here's my two settings, the high fan and the low fan, and they're at 200 degrees and 218 degrees. Okay, now it's going to ask me to turn my key off and then turn it right back on. Okay, you can see the gauge went up, the fan's kicking on. Now it's interacting with the ECU, and the tune is going to try to complete itself. It does take just a few seconds. I think it takes roughly 60 seconds or better to go through this tune. And once it's done, if you have any codes, it'll go ahead and wipe your codes clean as well. So we're almost completed here. I want to think that I think this tune that I have on is the most aggressive of all the tunes. I'm not quite sure what the horsepower rating is, but I think it is the most aggressive. So now it's telling me the download is complete. The tune has been programmed successfully. Okay, so I'm going to push done, and I'm going to turn the key back off. So when I turn the key back on, the tune will be already uploaded and you can drive the vehicle. So what I like to do before I do that is I come down to start my data log gauges. So I'm going to go down to data log gauge, continue, and I already have all my gauges preset. So, okay, general area, so exit. Okay, I'll turn my key on first. Now push data log. Let's see if it goes now. Okay, there it goes. Scanning the file, and there you can see all the gauges will come up. There you go. Vehicle speed, RPM, coolant temperature, long fuel trim, or left fuel trim, bank 1, bank 2, load, desired idle. Okay, the tune is now on the car, and that's how that works, guys. I think I might have to go out this road and try to see if the tune works.